How to log in Shein account. Welcome back to the channel, and let's jump right into this video. Starting off, launch your preferred browser in your device. In the box, go ahead and search for Shein.com. You'll be redirected to the official homepage of your Shein. Now to log in, just tap on the person icon at the top. To sign in, you have two options. That is to manually add your mobile number or email address, or to continue with Google or Facebook. If you select on continue with Google, you need to select a Google account to associate it with the Shein account. Once you tap on your Google account, you will be automatically logged in into your Shein account. Isn't it simple? Now you can go ahead and browse through all the items that Shein has to offer. If you face any difficulty, select the headset option and go to customer service of Shein. Now you can select the pre-prompt text from here, or in this box go ahead and type in "can't log in" to your device. So if you go ahead and give it a send, bot will help you through the solution and you'll be able to log in into your account. And that is all for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.